Struggling to make real money from YouTube despite uploading videos? $18,000, massive earnings, and that too from just one video. These are English long-form videos, and because the views are coming from English-speaking countries, the earnings are incredibly high. Take a look at this. This creator has uploaded only 6 videos on this channel, and the very first video alone has gained 6.2 million views. That's 6.2 million views right there. Now, even if we do a rough calculation, let's say he earned just $3 per 1,000 views. You can do the math yourself. This creator has made around $18,000 from just this one video. And it's not just one video. Look at this. 232K views, 498K views, 1.3 million views, and more. From just these 6 videos, this creator has earned over $25,000. And here's the proof right in front of you. On just 7 videos, he has already crossed around 67,000 subscribers. And his estimated earnings range from $9,000 to $27,000. Now the big question is, why is he getting so many views, and what type of videos is he creating? Take a look. You can clearly see that he is creating documentary videos about deep ocean animals. Here's one of his titles. Why do deep-sea creatures get creepier the deeper you go? Meaning, the deeper you go into the ocean, the more dangerous and terrifying the creatures become. He's using extremely engaging titles, and if you look closely, he has created different types of documentary videos about animals. Inside these videos, you'll notice that he is mostly using stock footage, and some clips are created using AI. Even the voiceover is AI generated. So why are these videos getting millions of views? The answer is simple. The script. The script is extremely powerful and engaging, and in today's video, your brother is going to teach you the complete method to create videos like this for free. I've also prepared complete prompts for you. Using these prompts, your effort will be minimal, and you'll be able to create similar videos, get millions of views, and earn big. But before we move forward, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for learning and my support. And don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something valuable from this video. Before creating these videos, you need powerful titles. You need ideas so engaging that people can't stop watching your videos. For that, I've prepared a complete prompt for you. Go to the description of this video. You'll find an idea prompt. In this prompt, I've provided examples of different types of titles and instructed it to generate complete titles. You'll get 10 highly curiosity-driven title ideas. Now, copy this complete idea prompt from the description. Go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Claude. Paste the prompt into the input box. Press Enter, and instantly ideas will start generating. You'll get 10 one-line titles, 10 powerful ideas filled with curiosity. These are the exact types of ideas that this creator is using. Each line is a ready-to-use title. Simply copy and paste it into your video title. Now, there are different ideas here, but I really like idea number 10, why the deep sea turns animals into monsters. This is an extremely powerful and engaging title, and we can create a full video on this idea. Now, for this title, you need a powerful long script. Normally, this requires a lot of effort, but I've solved that problem for you. Go back to the video description. You'll find a second prompt, a professional-level script prompt. This prompt will generate a complete documentary-style script about deep-sea animals. Copy this prompt and go back to ChatGPT. Paste it into the prompt box. Inside the prompt, you'll see an option to request a 5 to 6 minute script. You can even adjust it for a longer script if you want. There's also a section called Your Idea. Paste your selected idea there. We already selected idea number 10. Copy it and paste it into the prompt. Press Enter and your script will start generating. It will begin with a strong hook because the hook is critical to capture audience attention. And just like that, your complete long script will be ready, perfect for a 5 to 6 minute video. After generating your script, you need a professional-level voiceover, because without a strong voiceover, your documentary videos won't perform well. Copy your script. Now go to Google AI Studio. Click on Single Speaker Audio. Paste your script into the text box. Now go to Style Instructions and change it. Instead of friendly, write documentary. On the right side, you'll see different voices. Listen to them and choose one you like. Then click the Run button. Your voiceover will start generating. Now click on the 3 dots and download your voiceover to your phone. Now let me show you how to collect visuals for your video. I'll show you 2 methods: create videos using AI or use stock footages. Go to the description again. You'll find a 3rd prompt, visualization prompt. This will generate text-to-video prompts, B-roll keywords. It will generate prompts in batches. For example, you can request 8 prompts per batch. It will also provide keyword lists for finding stock videos. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press Enter. Now you'll start receiving prompts in batches. Each batch includes 8 text-to-video prompts, 10 B-roll keywords. Each prompt corresponds to a specific line of your script. Now copy your first text-to-video prompt. Go to Grok, click on the Imagine option, paste your prompt, select the ratio, and click Generate. Your video will start generating for that specific script line. Repeat this process for all prompts. Now use B-roll keywords. Copy your first keyword. Go to pexels.com, select Videos, and paste your keyword into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll see tons of matching videos. Download any video you like. You can also use pixabay.com the same way. Just paste the keyword and download videos. Now it's time to edit everything together. Open any video editor. I'm using Wondershare Filmora, but you can use any editor. Import all video clips, your voiceover. First, zoom into the timeline and edit your voiceover. Remove silent parts, but carefully because some pauses are important. Then, arrange your video clips according to the script. Add smooth transitions between clips. Add your channel name. Add background music. And most importantly, add subtitles. You can generate subtitles for free using CapCut. Finally, click Export and download your video in the highest quality. This method is simple but powerful. Using my prompts, your effort will be minimal. Start creating videos today. With consistency, you can also get millions of views and earn big. But remember, whether it's millions of views or massive income, consistency is the key. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, share this video with your friends.